And just a quick update on this, on the Nova. So we got the firewall painted up. Got all that done. Y'all can see. Suspension's pretty much done. We got the new gearbox and everything. We're not going to put that in yet. Still got to do the wire harness. So, but just to show you, firewall all painted up, ready to roll. Start to install stuff. We're going to do the rear conversion disc brake kit on the rear. And probably start putting the wire harness through. Still got to paint the inside of the floors inside the car. So, anyway, see you on the next one.